Well, how are you guys? Hope all will be fine and doing very awesome. Look at range break 100 spike trading. This is what I realized in the spike trading of range break. Look here, this is my buy trade. I'm holding this trade for more spikes. Okay, just thought to show you guys because this strategy have results, very awesome results, very good results. As you can see on my screen, the buy trade is running in profit and making good money using this strategy. This is very simple, straightforward, and very good. I'm not gonna say like the YouTuber, this is 100% strategy. No, this is not 100%. There is no anything which is 100%. Okay, let me explain few points so you guys understand better this strategy. How I took this buy trade. Okay, I took this buy trade at this candle, this long one candle, bullish candle, and after, as you guys see, a spike occurred here and he made a profit. Actually, how this strategy works, don't skip the video, watch this video till end, you understand. You have to check the description. I will write this strategy. I'm not gonna teach you, I'm gonna show you only in this strategy some basic points of this strategy. When you realize that this Bollinger Band start crossing like this, downside of a market, downside, it means the market will go buy. How? When after some candles, the Bollinger Band give you the signal of a crossover like this, then you will go for a buy here. Look here, this is spike. Let me show you one more example. Look here, this is an empty area, there is no any Bollinger Band. But when you see in the front, here is Bollinger Band which is crossing from downside of candles, you will go for buy and look here spike. And the same thing happened here in buy position. And we made awesome profit. I'm not gonna teach you the sell and confident in buy. It's still testing, but I realized some things, so I thought let's go and share with you guys. Look here, empty candles. There is no any Bollinger Band involved in this. And after some move, Bollinger Band in here and started crossing from downside of the candles like a V shape. Let me draw the V shape so you guys understand clearly. Look here, this is the trend line and this is the V shape. The same thing is happening here. You will go for trade. See one more example. Look also here, there is no Bollinger Band, and look here, Bollinger Band end here, and now entry of Bollinger Band, and look here the buy spike. Bollinger Band entry after this empty area here, and we entered for buy from this support and wait for this spike. The same thing happened here. In Pitheria, there is no any blinker band involved in this, and here is our entry from support cause this blinker band is showing the market will go buy. Let's go for buy. This is the power, guys. This is the method. This is the thing. I hope you realized. So let's see here. Blinker band. This is the setting. Period will be 13. Deviation 72.000. Shift will be 0. Apply to low. Make the money. Give me the feedback. Check the description. Join our Telegram. Enjoy the profit. Bye bye.